Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the new weekly vlog. So first of all, I want to say, finally, I ordered some clothes. And this is probably gonna be quite unexpected because I've ordered from a store that I haven't even mentioned once, I think, in the previous vlogs. And I didn't even tell you that I was thinking about it, and I honestly didn't even think about it until a few days ago. And it's Shein. I ordered from Shein. It's been a while since I ordered from them, and I thought, why not give it a chance again? Because I remember the last time I ordered, I was quite actually pleased with the clothing, and I still have some of them that I ordered, I think maybe for 3-4 years ago, something like that, and they're still good. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go for Shein. And obviously they have one of the cheapest clothing, I think, maybe even the cheapest. And yeah, I thought I'm gonna give it a go, and I ordered, if I remember correctly, 13 items, and it all came to like around like $86, 86 euros. So I did it. I finally ordered, and now all I'm waiting is, you know, for the clothes to arrive. But it's probably gonna take a while because Shein has, it says there 7 to 28 business days for the items to arrive. So I'm just guessing it's gonna be 28 working days because I don't know, I'm just guessing that. So it's gonna probably take a full month till my clothes are here, but I'm very excited. I have my vacation at the end of August, so yeah, they should arrive before then, hopefully. And I'm very, very excited to show you everything I chose, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting. But now I'm also gonna shop for Anel because he also wants some new clothing, and I don't know, it's just really hard to find like good clothing for men. I think I always struggle. I always struggle. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna look a little bit on Fashion Nova because I know Fashion Nova has quite good stuff for them. I don't know where else to look. Like, I would love to go to Primark, but the heat wave here is horrendous. It's like 35 degrees Celsius outside. It's too much, and Anel is working his second shift, so he doesn't really want to go shopping before work because obviously it's exhausting. And now sorry, Roomba is doing her job. Kali with the toys again. I need to take out my slippers here so she doesn't take them. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so yeah, and as Anna's working his second shift, he can't drive me, although I mean he could before the job, but then I would have to walk home, and obviously in this heat wave I'm really not up for it. It's just so unfortunate that Primark doesn't have, you know, the online store, because it would be way easier. But maybe H&M, I'll look there, but I don't like them very much, in all honesty. I really don't. Lately I don't. And what else? I think, yeah, I don't know, Boohoo maybe? I'll look around Boohoo as well. And maybe I'll find something, I'll see. But I'll definitely order something for him as well. So we'll see what I find, I'll show him, and then hopefully he likes it. So we'll see. But yeah, as I was saying, the heat wave here is just horrendous. I just turned off the air conditioning so you could actually hear me quite well when I'm talking, so isn't that, you know, background noise. So yeah, we're surviving, but it's really hot, and Kali has her cooling not pillow, but the cooling pad here, something, what it's called, I don't know, cooling pad. So she's enjoying, she's cool quite most of the time. And yeah, air conditioning is installed, it's working, and I usually take Kali out in the morning when I wake up for maybe a longer walk, or maybe throw frisbee to her, and then not exactly in the evening, but like late afternoon, like around 7 or 8 p.m. when it's a little bit more cooler, although at like 7 p.m. it's like 29 degrees Celsius, so, or 28, so it's still very hot, but at least better than 35 degrees, you know, because that's just too much for her. With all of that fur, look at that, it just, she's so hot. She's been laying on this every day, like more than half of a day. Last time she was outside, it was, I think, 11 a.m. So it's 3 p.m. now, or it's gonna be 4 p.m. soon. So 3 more hours, Kali, and then we're gonna go out. In the meantime, just relax, and I'll also do the same. I've started watching Kim's Convenience. I was like, I wanted to watch that for a very long time, and now I finally just decided to watch, because all of my shows ended. I usually watch some reality TV shows that we have here, and now they've all ended, and yeah, I was like, I have to find something to watch, and I gave a chance to Kim's Convenience, and I really like it, actually. I really like it. At the beginning I was like, I wasn't really sure, but then I actually liked it, you know. I just got into the show, like, I don't know, I love it, it's good. So yeah, I'm watching that, and this is basically my afternoon. Oh, I also started with the physiotherapy yesterday, and I don't have it every day, which is really weird though, because I had it yesterday and I have it tomorrow, and that's it for this week, and then we'll see how it goes for the next week. I think he's gonna tell me. So yeah, it's going well. I have pool exercises there as well, very, very fun, and just relaxing, you know. In this heat, it really, I don't know, it's just going to the pool calms my soul, brings peace to my soul. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so good. So yeah, I have it 7:30. I had it yesterday 7:30 as well, tomorrow as well, and then for the next week we'll see. I'm just hoping I'll have it always in the morning, because if it's really close to me, so I walk there, but it would bother me a lot if I had it at like, I don't know, 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. when it's like the hottest outside, and I would have to walk there. It's just a little uncomfortable. It's still a 10-minute walk, and 10-minute walk on this heat, yeah, it can get to you. So yeah, I hope I'm gonna have it like early in the morning next week as well, but I'll obviously update you and tell you how it's going. But for now, yeah, I'm doing the exercises. I have the pool exercises, it's going well. I have a very nice physiotherapist as well. He's very like nice and just likes to make jokes, and I don't know, a person you can easily talk to, I think. So yeah, he's very good, and yeah, I just hope the knee is gonna get, you know, the full flexion back very soon. We'll see. I am improving. We did the measurements, and the extension is 3 degrees left till the way it's supposed to be. I don't know how to explain it. It has to be on 0. I had it on -10. I don't know, when I finished with the spa treatment, and now I have it on -3. So I'm very improving, actually, and the exercises that I'm doing at home are very helpful. So yeah, the flexion is at, how much was it? I don't even remember. I don't know how much it's supposed to be. It was at 130. Then in that same day when we did many exercises, it came down to 120. Yeah, so I don't know what's the exact number that it's supposed to be. I'll update you when I'll know. For now I'm mixing the numbers, I'm not really still sure. But it's going quite well, so I'm hoping for the best, and we'll see. But you know what, I have to turn on the air conditioning, because I'm getting a little hot again, and Kali as well, look at her, she's just moving around this place. So I'll do that. I'll probably go eat something, although I'm not eating very well lately because it's so hot, and I just don't crave anything. Like, I literally haven't had a proper lunch in 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. didn't have it, and I'm probably not gonna have it today. Maybe I'll make some soup, but that's about it. I don't crave anything. It's just so hot. I just want to eat fruit, drink water and some lemonade, and I bought myself some mojito, non-alcoholic mojito. It's worth a try, we'll see. And that's all I crave, nothing else. Like proper food, I literally do not crave that because it's so hot. So I'm just gonna be here with my oranges, bananas, grapes, water, and mojito incoming very soon. So I'll do that, and I'll catch you somewhere between the week.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder by you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now.
It's morning, and oh, Kali's awake. Yeah, we already been outside. It's just we came back, and now she's relaxing a little bit, as you can see. And look at her ear. Oh, look at her ear. Oh yeah, I don't know what she's hearing. Maybe birds. She really likes to chase birds. Oh, precious. Look at my matcha here. Almost drank up. But yeah, I just woke up. I mean, I woke up like maybe an hour ago, but I'm still kind of coming to my senses and drinking my matcha. And today we're probably gonna go for a little walk. Maybe even we have a lot of lakes nearby, and we usually take Kali so she can swim there. And usually, if you know the water is quite clean, then we also swim as well. Well, I don't swim as much as I'm just standing in the water and trying to do my little exercises. That's all I do. So today we're gonna do the same. I'm just looking where we're gonna go. Somewhere really close, obviously. But she definitely needs a little swim, and I also need a little cooling off. Not exactly a swim, because I still can't swim very good, but like, yeah, just a little cooling off and maybe a little exercises in the lake as well. So that's the plan for today. And as you saw in the time lapse yesterday, I reorganized Anna's closet because I also ordered clothing for him from Shein. So yeah, yesterday we just went through everything and decided what he wants to keep and what he doesn't want to keep. So yeah, there were quite a few clothing that went out of the closet, and we're gonna give them to charity. Yeah, you know, to make space for new clothing. And I'll also have to reorganize my closet very, very soon. I'm also getting new clothing, and I think, yeah, well, I did that like a few months ago, but I kind of think that maybe I was just too generous with the clothing, because I know that some of the clothing are there, but I just don't wear them as much. And it just, you know, why would it stay with me when I can give it to someone else who's gonna wear it way more than I am? So, you know, I'll have to reorganize my closet again before the clothing comes, just in case, you know, to make sure that I really want the clothes that I have. I find it calming. But I'm also gonna love you and leave you now. I'll go drink matcha all the way till the end, then I'm gonna eat something, and then we're gonna go. So Kali can have her swim time, because I know she loves it. And it's really, well, it's not that hot. It's been raining like 2 days ago, so it kind of cooled off a little bit. So it's not like 35 degrees, but it's like 27, 28 degrees, you know, in the day. So it's bearable, it's breathable, and, you know, it's a lot easier than 35 degrees where you just don't know what to do with yourself. So it's like a nice weather to just go out, swim and have fun. So we're gonna do that today, and I will hopefully see you on my next video. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and bye from me, and of course bye from little Kali. Kali, say bye. Okay, yeah, bye bye.